So I'm going to get a weave. This is my hair before. It's literally a guy outside my car just staring at me, which is nice. But this is how long it is. Yeah. It's a bit like a bowl at the moment. But yeah, that's my hair before. I don't know how she's gonna do this, to be honest. Like, my hair is really short. But yeah, let's be.
Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandra. I'm the owner of Beyond Glam Hair and Beauty Studio. In today's video, I'm gonna call it a transformation video. My client had really short hair and she just wanted me to put in weave as she was missing having long hair, because she used to have long hair but she decided to cut it. As you can see, her hair is really short and slippery, so what I'm doing is spraying some water in it to make it a bit damp so I'm able to like grip it and cane row it. So basically all the part that you've seen that I've got, you know, I've sectioned off is what I'm going to be leaving out. And I'm going to be putting stocking foot onto the her cane rows, and I'm going to stitch the stocking foot onto the cane rows. This is just really to just make it steady and secure for me to stitch the hair on it. I'm going to be using 2 bundles of Beyond Glam Brazilian hair. So yes, I'm just like stitching the hair and obviously having a good gist as well with her. So yes, I'm nearly done at the top. As you can see, I've cut out the bit of the stocking foot that was covering her leave out. Now it's time for me to style her hair. We're going for middle parting and, you know, a nice short blunt cut bob. So yes, she's showing me exactly where she wants the cut to start from. So I'm starting from the back and making my way to the front. So now I'm straightening the hair with Babyliss straighteners. And then when I get to the top, I'm using Keracare sticks just to blend her leave out in with the hair extensions. And then once I'm done, I'm gonna use Got to Be Volumaniac spray. It's quite sticky because, you know, all Got to Be products are quite strong, so that's obviously to help blend her natural hair onto the hair extensions. And now look, shook. Yes guys, please guys, if you're not subscribing, please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys later.